class kakitaan, haboronggan for the student, hati ko.
Maupay aga. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you to our candidates who started the day with tree planting. This is our official program. We'd like to thank, first and foremost, our lead department, our City Environment Office, headed by our Forester, Jojito Aklab. Palakpakan po natin ang City Environment Office natin. Papasalamat din po kami. We'd like to thank all of our barangay officials who are here. Mula po kay Kapitan Nestor Gallego ng Barangay Banuyo. Stand up po, sir. And the barangay officials ng Barangay Banuyo. Huwag po tayong mahiya. Sige po, kung paalaga po tayo. Thank you. Ang ating Kapitan, si Efren Bahago, Barangay Cabalagnan, and your officials. Wala kasama si Kap? Okay. Si Kapitan Juan Katubay of San Gregorio. Kapitan Edgar Basario, Barangay Kanyupay. Your officials. Sige po, Barangay officials of Kanyupay. Thank you for coming. Barangay Baras, Barangay Captain Teresita Casimo. Hi, ma'am. Yung barangay officials po natin nakasama. Thank you for coming. And ang ating kapitan ng Barangay Hibakong, si Barangay Captain Herminio Abinales. Okay, to be represented by Christopher Katubay, ang ating first kagawad. Ang Barangay Hibakong ang ating host sa ating tree planting activity and ating Sea of Clouds experience. Good morning, everyone. Let's start the program with the invocation. Everybody please rise and stand up. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Upang hinihinang, kuyagang
Everyone, please be seated. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of the representative of our Mayor Jose Bandayan Agda, his son Julius Agda, and our Vice Mayor Eman Chusongko. Thank you for coming. Good morning. To start our program, we'd like to thank our barangay officials at Barangay Hibaco for hosting us. And to welcome us formally, I'd like to call, inaanyahan ko po sa ating harapan, ang ating representative ni Kapitan Abinales, si Kagawad Christopher Tatubay, para magbigay ng welcome message. Kayo na lang po. Sige po.
Sa ating butihing alkalde, Honorable Jose Bandayan Agda, sa ating vice alkalde, Honorable Emmanuel T. Chusongko, sa mga nagagandahang kandidatang ng Miss Earth 2024, sa mga kawani ng Borongan City Hall at sa ibang bisita. Mga kalahok, para sa gawain ito, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Bilang barangay kagawad ng Barangay Hibaco, sa ngalan po ng aming barangay captain, Honorable Herminio C. Abinales Jr., kami po'y nalulugod na kami po'y inyong napili ang Hibacong Sea of Clouds and Nature Park Tourist Spot upang maging kabahagi ng inyong tree planting. Dahil na rin sa pangunguna ng ating butihing Mayor, Honorable Jose Bandayan Agda, unti-unti nang nakikilala ang lugar na ito dahil sa kanyang angking kagandahang loob, lalo na kung inyong masisilayan ng tinaguriang Sea of Clouds na makikita bago sumikat ang araw. Muli, sa ngalan ng Barangay Hibaco, maligayang pagdating at pagbisita sa aming munting barangay. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga.
Maraming salamat sa Barangay Hibaco. I'd like to continue the program by calling the representative of our Mayor Jose Bandayan Agda, his executive assistant and son, Jules Agda.
Hello, hoping nga agahaton itanan, and very happy nga yan ni kamo, our barangay officials. I want to acknowledge taton mga barangay captain, Honorable Efren Bahado of Cabalagnan. Sir, good morning. Honorable Juan Katubay, Cap, good morning. Herminio Abinales, maraman din yan, yung nalakagawad ano. Good morning. Tarciano Ador Jr. Sir, good morning. Honorable Teresita Casimo of Barangay Baras. Good morning, ma'am. Sheila Barrete, kanang Pinanagan. Good morning. Rosana Grafil of Binuangan. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Nestor Galyogo, Barangay Banuyo. Cap, good morning. Edgardo Basario. Cap, good morning. And Ma'am Mirna Gavilan of Libuton. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Candidates, good morning. Kumusta? Kumusta ang pagbisita nyo sa one of the gems of Borongan City, the Hibacong Sea of Clouds? Are you sure? Baka napipilitan lang kayo. Ha? Actually, we are really promoting not just by tourism, local tourism within our city. We are also promoting our environment because 71% of this forest is from Borongan, East Borongan. So we would like to preserve it. This is a challenge for us as a new generation. And kasi mahirap, madali magsalita pero mahirap gawin. Actually, totoo yan. Kaya sabi ko nga sa mga kaibigan ko, now the generation is swerte. Pero we have a big responsibility when it comes to environment. Why? Yung bagyo, kapag binabagyo tayo, hindi nagsasalita yan. Uma-action ka agad yan. The same din yan sa atin. Huwag tayong post or ano. Yes, it's okay to post on social media because it is your advocate or what. Pero mas maganda yan kapag nilalagyan mo ng action. Parang nanliligaw lang yan eh. Diba? Nanliligaw lang yan. You take action not just by words. Our forest here is somehow it represents us. Parang palyan eh. It is the heart of the Filipinos. So for us to maintain our environment, we need to take actions for ourselves. We need to be responsible. Ang nalaman ko parang nag-tree planting kayo this morning. Inaano ko lang din, I don't want to be a hypocrite naman na kasi hindi ako nakasama sa inyo sa pag-tree planting, but I hope that ipagpatuloy nyo yan. Some of you na-meet ko sa mayor's office 2 days ago. Tinatanong-tanong ko kung sino ba yung nasa sports, sino ba yung mag-ano sa scuba diving or what. It is for me to know kung anong pa talaga yung ano nyo. Alam ko meron ditong advocate sa maritime something yes, si Miss Dasol of Pangasinan. Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi first time ko makamit ng isang tao na yun yung gusto niya. Kasi mostly is our forest, pero dun siya sa maritime. I'm very happy kasi may ganun kang initiative. Ako takot kasi ako sa dagat eh. But I love the views. I love the beaches. Pero takot ako mag-dive. Kasi baka may pating or shark, whatever. Joke lang. So, for us, right now, our barangay captains, our barangay officials, please let us preserve this treasure of Borongan City. Kasi my generation, the next generation will benefit magbe-benefit yan. And I hope na, sabi ko nga, hindi lang puro tayo salita. We need to take action. Parang video lang yan eh. We find ways. So, again, thank you so much for coming here in Borongan. Like what I've said 2 days ago, na we are very thrilled and proud that you came here and we've hosted it. And syempre, kudos to our organizers headed by Sir Rupert Tambil. This man has so many brilliant ideas. The Surf City, somehow he is the kung paano naging kilala muna yung Borongan City, it is because of the Surf City. Marami siyang ideas, grabe, wala lang budget yung city para mag-host. Pangalawa, our tourism officer, Ma'am Marisa. Asan si Ma'am Marisa? Ma'am Marisa, Ma'am, thank you so much. Text ka ng text, tawag ka ng tawag sa akin in the middle of the night. Kasi I know how caring you are sa pag-pamper dito sa mga candidates natin. Also my ninong, my two ninongs, the ABC President, Ninong Chini Bardia, and one of my idol also, the Senro Officer, Ninong Jojo Akla, Jujito Akla, and the department heads, the staff of the LGUs, Ma'am Vicky May, yes, Ma'am, thank you. Also, our Vice Mayor, of course, the very pogi na Vice Mayor na mukha lang 23 years old. Vice, thank you. And also our councilors, without them also, syempre, hindi magkakaroon ng ganito. And syempre, sa inyo pong lahat, barangay officials, thank you so much. I hope, because of this, mas maging kilala pa ang Borongan, ang Sibakong Sea of Clouds. And of course, sino pa ba? May nakakalimutan pa ba akong pasalamatan? Yes, of course, yung mga driver dyan, mga police. Sir, thank you for the safety of our candidates. Damo nga salamat sa iyong tananit. Mga taga-fire, thank you. Ano pa ba? Wala na, para okay na. Kasi si Bay susunod eh. So again, I hope mag-enjoy kayo and mag-enjoy pa kayo. Sayang lang, 4 days lang. And hopefully, next time, mag-host naman in a very long period of time for you to see what's more to offer in Borongan City. Again, arigatou gozaimasu. Good morning, Mopay Aga.
Thank you, Julius, for your message. I'd like to acknowledge our ABC President, Mano Chini Barbia, to give his message for bringing together the barangay captains here and the officials at the Sibakong Sea of Clouds. Mano Chini, maraming salamat.
Hello! Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Yung mga officials ng mga ibang barangay ng Surigao River, salamat for coming, and to our beautiful candidates of the Miss Philippine Earth. Salamat. Sa wakas, napuntahan nyo na yung Sea of Clouds. So, nag-enjoy kayo kanina, nakita ko kayo, paano kayo mag-post, posing ng posing, pa-picture ng pa-picture. So ngayon, nationwide na kami. So salamat sa promotion ng Barangay. So, ngayong umaga, nandoon na yung mapa ng Borongan sa Pilipinas dahil sa inyo. Salamat. So, yung kapalit nito, alam niyo ba, business yun. Business, yung mga kapitalista, pupunta na yan. May transportation na kami, tapos na-promote yun na kung gaano kaganda yung Borongan. So maraming salamat tulad sa inyo. Yung Borongan, magaganda. Good morning again.
Maraming salamat sa ating ABC President, Mano Chini. For context, alam niyo po itong Sea of Clouds, this was recently developed because the LGU under the administration of Mayor Dayan Agda opened up the roads to the barangays here. Dati po ang hirap puntahan ito. And one of the priority projects of the LGU is to provide road connectivity to the farthest barangays. So ngayon po, nabigyan na tayo ng road access, nag-open na tayo ng farming opportunities, nag-open na rin tayo ng tourism opportunities. And Borongan City is considered as one of the environmental champions in the country. So nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga barangay na nagpa-participate sa environment programs ng city. Dati po, ang mga illegal loggers dito sa Borongan, nagpo-proliferate po sila, marami po yan, dahil nga po wala namang ibang kabuhayan. So ginawa po ng LGU, under this administration, Nirecruit sila as forest rangers and protectors. So they are now hired as city casuals para magbantay ng forest. Ito pong CF Clouds also para sa information ng lahat, lalo na sa ating mga barangay officials na nandito, was recently awarded 17 million by CHESA to be developed as a nature park and tourism area. So thank you to Miss Earth for promoting all of our activities here. For the next part of the program, each candidate will introduce themselves and introduce their environment advocacy. But we'd like to start by giving our reigning queens time to speak and share their experience and their advocacy and what they've learned from the past year. So we'll start with Miss Kerry Ann Riley, Miss Philippines Air 2023.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm glad we all managed to wake up this morning as it's super early. And let me introduce myself. My name is Carrie Riley. I am your Miss Philippines Air 2023. And yes, I just want to say thank you so much for having me back here, as it is my second time here also with the Queens. It's our second time here. We had so much fun the first time. We actually explored the ocean, had some ocean cleanups, and sorry. Hello? Oh, no, it's okay now. And now we're here doing tree planting, and we're also here with the delegates, and I'm super happy that I could make my last few memories as Miss Philippines Air with the Queens and of course with the delegates as well. So maraming salamat sa lahat, and thank you.
Thank you, Terry. We'd like to invite our next queen, our Miss Philippines Water 2023, Jemima Joy Zabala.
Hello po, mayad nga adlaw, kaninong tanan. That's how we say good morning. A good day from Palawan. I'm from Puerto Princesa City. I'm Jemima, your Miss Philippines Water 2023, and I'm really glad din po to be back here in Borongan City. And we love the Salakura. And it's Salukara pala. Sorry po. We tasted it once again kasi dito lang namin yun natitikman. So thank you po for serving that to us. And my advocacy is early childhood environmental awareness. That is why we're very happy when we see kids joining environmental activities, because we have to include them in this cause. Para po bata pa lang sila, they are more aware and start to love and protect our environment at a young age. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for the warm welcome and for embracing us once again together with the delegates. Thank you!
Thank you. Our next is Cherie Livori, our Miss Philippines Fire 2023.
Oh, there you go. Okay, magandang umaga everybody, and good day, as we Aussies say. It's great to be back here again, especially with the delegates this time, and also the reigning queens. I've missed it a lot, and really it's been an honor to be able to continue to pursue my advocacy of waste segregation overseas, and also to really bring, just a new batch of delegates here to also push for their advocacies, because must I say, coming back here, it's super nostalgic, and it's also very uplifting to see another batch of delegates really push for the cause of Miss Philippines Earth and really push the theme this year for heritage. So once again to Barongong, thank you so much for hosting us, because so far it has been great. The food's been great, nature has been amazing, and honestly just the hospitality of everybody. I must say, this province really knows how to be hospitable. So maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cherie. Our next queen is our Miss Philippines Ecotourism 2023, Athena Auxilio.
Hello
everyone, Mayad na Adlaw. I am Athena Claire Auxilio, your Miss Philippines Ecotourism 2023. And my advocacy is about rebuilding nature and innovating for a green future. So my experience here is allowing me to learn more about my advocacy and how I can apply it in my hometown as well. Actually, I can relate to Borongan as well, that I represented my hometown, Toledo City. It's just a small city in Cebu. It's not known by many, but that's why I tried to represent it in a national stage to put it also on the map and can help with the tourism as well over there. So I'm so happy with the whole experience here, and of course, thank you so much for your your hospitality and very wild energy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Athena. After this leg, after the hosting of Borongan, the ladies, the candidates, and the queens will go to Toledo City. They're the next stop. Toledo City will be hosting the next event for Miss Earth. Before we continue to each candidate here, I'd like to introduce our City Co-op OIC, Ma'am Cynthia Arseno, because part of the hospitality of Borongan is bringing together all of the community members to contribute a little bit to the effort. So our producers, our processors, they made sure you have something to take home. So our City Co-op, DTI, and the small producers, micro SMEs have produced something for everyone to take home to represent Borongan. Okay, we'll just distribute it later. Ma'am Cynthia, can you please discuss the items inside your pasalubong bag?
Good morning sa mga barangay captains, kay Sir Jenny at the representative ng Mayor Julius, and Vice Mayor Iman Chusongko, and everybody here. Maupay nga aga hatan nga tanan. Iton one town, one product, or the Utop Hub Borongan ay nagagalak na nandito kayo, mga naggaganda, ang mga dilag na ng Pilipinas. Itong mga pasalubong namin ay iba't ibang mga produkto galing sa iba't ibang, of course, the city of Borongan at sa ibang municipality ng Eastern Samar. So, isa nito ay ang Miss Cacao, which is locally grown dito sa barangay ng Borongan. Isang pamilya na kung saan sila ay gumagawa ng dark chocolate. I have seen Miss Makati, na interview niya si Mickey, yung daughter. So we are giving it to you, milk chocolate, 50% dark chocolate. Another po ay ang from Giwan Eastern Samar, Calamansi Concentrate. Yun ay, marami silang mga produkto ng Islands Best, pero ito yung best seller nila. By the way, yung Miss Cacao, yan ang best seller ng Borongan. So, before you go home, punta muna kayo sa Utop Hub at para mag-over baggage kayo. Okay, another po produkto ng Borongan ay ang resin-made keychain. Pero marami siyang produkto ha. Meron siyang wall art painting made of resin. Ito yung sa Point Mary, yung barangay na kung saan nagland kayo sa airport. So taga doon siya, si Maria Kel Handicrafts. Mamaya, we will ask you, ladies, to please show the product, and then we are going to take a picture para yan din ang makakatulong sa pag-promote ng produkto nila. Another is, the necklaces you are wearing today is from JM Gonzaga, from Kinapundan. Thank you very much. Let us clap our hands for them. And the Chicharukog from San Puli, from Vice Mayor Nicart. And the smoked fish from Sulat. Alam ko na ano na nito ng mga mga reigning queens, ano? And of course, the LGU magazine, the care of the Borongan City Information Office, Mr. Robert Ambil, kung saan makikita nyo kung yung mga sakulara, ano yun? Salukara, and iba't ibang mga culture, heritage we have in Borongan City. So, and of course, yung LGU bag na gawa sa, ano to, bariw, yun. So, from the LGU Borongan yun. Maraming salamat and we hope hindi kayo mag-overbaggage.
Thank you, Ma'am Cynthia. Pasensya ka na, Ma'am Cynthia, nakalimutan ko that the souvenirs, not only from Borongan, but from all over Eastern Samar. So, hindi lang yung mga communities in Borongan pitched in to provide the souvenirs, but other towns also provided souvenirs for you guys. Next part of our program, I'd like to call each candidate to briefly state their advocacy. Alam niyo po, bihirang-bihira po nagkakaroon ng community activity at the national stage dito po sa mga ganitong barangay. Ano po to? Idea po ng aming mayor ito. Now we bring our national event closer to the barangays. So after today, the morning here in Ibacong, we'll be going to other barangays in San Gabriel and San Mateo. But this is the first national event in our Riverside barangays here. So to start with the introduction, we'd like to call Aburlan Palawan, Reyna Rohen.
Magandang aldaw po, Katimyong Mosa. So that is another local dialect from Palawan, which is the Tagbanwa. So ibig sabihin po nun, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So I am Reyna Michelle Obani Ruhen. I'm 24 years old. Hello, ayan. Currently undertaking law school in Palawan State University. And ako po ay isa ring lingkod bayan. I am an elected Sangguniang Kabataan Chairperson back home. and so it is really my strong conviction to empower our katutubo. Because naniniwala po ako na ang ating pong mga katutubo ay ang ating isa sa mga tunay na earth warriors. Dahil nga po sila ang nangangalaga, they are the stewards of our nature. So I'm really hoping that we could include them more, empower them more, support them on, especially on including them on local and national discourses when it comes to environmental concerns. So yun po ang aking pinaka-main goal on why I joined Miss Philippines Earth. And with that po, on behalf of the Miss Philippines Earth organization, and so with my fellow delegates, the candidates, nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong lahat. Really, but sa lahat po sa barangay officials, of course, to our local government unit, to the provincial government, and of course to the city government of Borongan. Nagpapasalamat po kaming lahat sa binigay niyo pong oras at ganoon din po sa lahat ng napakagandang activities. Talaga po nag-enjoy kami. Kahapon, we tried scuba diving. So it's very honored. We are very honored po to enjoy those kind of privileges. So again, thank you so much po. I am Reyna Michelle Obani Ruhen from Abordan. Thank you.
Thank you, Reyna. I'd like to call Aglipay Quirino, Miss Jonalyn Balauro.
Ayan, so naimbag nga adlaw tayo amin. It's in Ilocano dialect in my province. So, good morning po. I am Jonalyn Banihan Balauro from the municipality of Aglipay, province of Quirino. So, we all know that here in the Philippines, we have lots of heritages when it comes to culture and adventure, nature. However, I observed and noticed that some people's heart won by social media, and especially yung mga kabataan po natin. So I am here to support po the preservation of nature and culture, and I'm so happy because here in Borongan, talaga po na pre-preserve po ninyo yung culture and adventure, yung nature po ninyo dito. That is why I am encouraging everyone to, join me in my cause. Because if we work together by instilling stewardship and responsibility, we can ensure that we achieve or we inherit a world that is very healthy, a world that is very, vibrant, and a world that is resilient. So, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. That is my advocacy. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Love you!
Thank you, Brian. Next is from Baco Oriental Mindoro, Ms. Samantha Dana Bugos.
Good morning, everyone! So, my name is Samantha Dana Bugos from Baco Oriental Mindoro. I am a licensed psychometrician by profession, and my advocacy circles around marine life protection. I grew up in the coastal communities of my hometown, Baco Oriental Mindoro, and I was heavily influenced by the people who raised me, who were they were deeply involved in the marine preservation of our beaches, of my grandparents, my parents. So at an early age, I was already picking up trash. I was really, dun ako namulat sa ganong mundo. So that's how I grew up. And I would like to invite everyone, it's my advocacy, I would like to tell everyone to also do your part in saving the oceans, because in doing so, we promote climate regulation, food production, livelihood, and economic progress. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samantha. Next is from Baler Aurora, Ms. Isa Denise De Leon.
Hello everyone, I'm Isa Denise De Leon from the birthplace of Philippine surfing, Baler Aurora. You know what po, traditional tourism practices here in our country often lead into a negative impact po. So I'm advocating for sustainable tourism and cultural promotion to promote and preserve our cultural heritage and our tourism destination also for our future generations and to enjoy more tourism in our country. Thank you po.
Thank you, Isa. Next is from Balingasab, Misamis Oriental, Ms. Russell Joy Taytay Ranido.
Hello, mabulo anong admin mo kaninyong tanan. That's another local dialect po from our place. By the way, I am Russell Joy Taytay Ranido, and I am representing Balingasab, Misamis Oriental. And lumaki po ako sa tabing dagat, at every time po na may bagyo na dumadaan po sa aming lugar ay yung mga basura ay napupunta sa aming baybay. That's why ang akin pong advokasya ay pangangalaga sa likas na buhay at kamalayan sa kalikasan. Huwag po tayong magtapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Maging responsable po tayo at palaging pakakatandaan ang 5 R's. Reuse, reduce, recycle, rethink, and respect. At yan po ay ang ating magiging kinatawan para ating mapangalagaan ang ating likas na yaman. At yun lamang po, patuloy nating mahalin ang ating Pilipinas. Thank you!
Before we continue, we'd like to announce that this event is live streamed on the Miss Earth page, Miss Philippines Earth page, and on the Borongan City Information page. Marami po nanonood sa atin. So for the next one, for our next candidate, we have from Batangas City, Miss Ira Patricia Malalu.
Borongan! Nakita kayo mga ngiti nyo. So, ako po si Ira Patricia Malaluan from the home of the brave, the Green Industrial City of Batangas. So, for my advocacy, when I was still 6 years old, I was put in the position to choose. So, nasa grocery store kami na ng mommy ko. And, syempre, bata ka, gusto mong kumain ng chocolate, gusto mong matikman. And that will be supposedly my first time to taste a chocolate or to eat a chocolate. But during that time, kami nun po ay kapos and wala kaming, sa kapos kami, yung budget namin is sobrang limited lang. So I was put in the position to choose kung KitKat ba or Payless na pagkain namin sa maghapon. And that made me who I am today. Made me motivated to push for my advocacy, which is food security, na nakaangkla po doon ang agrikultura, turismo, at syempre, tayo ay nasa Miss Philippines Earth, ang ating kalikasan. I remember isa sa mga higher officials, nakausap ko siya
Sinanong niya sa akin, ano ba ang advokasya mo? Ito po ay luntiang punla. Paano ba natin i-harmonize ang agrikultura at ang kalikasan? And I think it's our right era. This is our right time to talk about it. Paano ba natin siya mapapagsama? Paano ba natin siya ma-harmonize? And the concept of my advocacy na tinatawag na luntiang punla is farm for the future, for our next generation. Dahil we have to train next generation farmers, farm to table, to provide food security for all, and farm for the nature. And I think through these concepts we will not just have an abundant harvest for all, but we will also secure the presence of our environment. And that will be all. And I hope all of you will rally with me as I push for Luntiang Punla and for my advocacy. Once again, I am your unstoppable queen from Batangas City, Alae. Ako po si Ira Patricia Maluan. Thank you.
Thank you, Ira. Next is Miss from Baungon, sorry. Girls, just correct me if I'm wrong. Baungon, Bukidnon, Miss Chauncey